So guys, I got this beautiful Pomerac yesterday from a fan. The same fan I put in my doubles video. They from California. David tasted. They say the best.
I have the pleasure of eating this one.
They say the best. I'll give you the opportunity. I don't know. David, you feel it this boy? What you listen?
I just feel this from Market.
Serious? It look very nice.
Very good.
Bag it out for boy. Shivana, I thought you wanted peace. Look what going on with tea.
Yeah.
You care about nobody? I ain't one on David, don't worry, I don't want on.
Very good.
So guys, first time we trying this TGI chicken wings, honey barbecue. I want to try a box of this, guys.
Want something?
I want something. Alright, well we go taste it and see how it goes. So guys, first time we bought this is actually, my sister bought it. So yeah, your regular fry ring, right? So if you don't want the sauce, you just put it in the oven as regular fry rings. But if you love the barbecue sauce, it comes with the barbecue sauce. So I'm not a big fan of barbecue sauce, like American style barbecue sauce. So we might do a couple without the sauce, and then they might do majority with the sauce. The kids, my children don't like
They wouldn't want the sauce.
They hate anything with sticky sauce.
Okay.
So we see how it goes.
They don't even have bags.
That's right. So the kids gonna eat some pizza. Open the pizza. Go ahead and take all the pizza.
Wait, I forgot.
Pizza.
That's why.
I think it's Pizza
Oh
Thursday.
yeah, let's take it out because we don't know how to.
Their favorite pizza. Papa John's, but they still run out of pepper. Shivi?
Yeah.
Oh, they can run out of the most important thing in all the pizza.
And also the sauce,
Wednesday, yeah, but we just buy the pizza just to the pepper.
Kind of sauce, the cheesy sauce.
Anya.
The oily
Hello.
cheesy sauce.
So sorry, give me a joke now. We give you a joke.
What happens when a frog what happens when a frog crashes his car?
What happens when a frog crashes car?
Yeah,
Ribbit?
he gets towed.
Okay, can I give me a chance to guess? Was that a good one? Yeah, go ahead quick.
What does the sea say to the people? But what does the
See?
do to
The people, you don't give me the answer. Wave. Alright, go ahead. To get to the other side.
No,
What?
to get KFC. Ethan needs help.
Wait. Why did the chicken what?
Cross the farm. To get.
The chicken crossed the farm to get KFC?
Yeah.
Who give you that joke?
Nobody, the friends and then this talk about this joke in school.
Okay, and then you want to give me a joke, baby?
Okay, she wants to tell me.
Alright, wait just.
Why else does I have a balloon?
Why Elsa cannot have a balloon? Why?
She lets it go. Let it go. They're not funny.
Kind of fancy thing them getting chips and what kind of thing?
Oh yeah.
How the pizza is in Surrey, you didn't say?
Good.
Tasting good?
Wait, let me see something. It's real nice. Oh, very nice. I'm on farm.
So guys, you have to heat up the barbecue sauce, right? And this is the lovely wings. You just spend it for how long, David, in the oven?
You just toasted it. Oh, this?
Yeah, how long?
12
you
minutes aside.
12 minutes. David, don't forget, don't put some, you have to pass aside some for the children.
Yeah, one side there.
That good?
Yeah.
And yeah?
Twist.
Yeah, we'll do your barbecue. David say you are right. I want to try one with the barbecue and with all the barbecue sauce. What do you say?
Yeah.
Hey, let's toast.
Toast and enjoy.
It's nice. People might try it. Well, I go tell them to try it, right, guys? If I don't really like it, I go say don't try it.
Right? We'll try it.
When?
Oh, good.
You saw what that is? Huh. So, guys, I'm going to try out TGI's box Buffalo Wings. So, as I said, I'm not a big barbecue sauce guy. So, I want to try just so. Real good, everyone. You know, like fresh chicken. Real good. Wow. Honestly, I was saying, guys, I think this is some of the best. So, we come. Come to it. Have a wing.
I want a wing.
And now, what?
I want a wing.
Guys, this is some of the best frozen fried chicken I ever had in my life. Like from a box, David. It's really good. I want to try with the barbecue
It's the sauce, yeah. The sauce even better.
Take one of Vina. Vina, how this one?
Good.
Check it out. This is not a very this one.
Yeah.
So I want to try with the sauce, guys. Just so, baby.
Is the verdict?
Both are good, guys. Nice, really good. 100% recommend this.
If you had to choose one though, which one do you choose? Sauce or no sauce?
I actually like the sauce now.
I love this
I
sauce.
actually like the sauce. The sauce not too tangy. It's just that. I hate over sweet sauce. It's actually a nice combination of flavors. It's really, really good. I'll buy it. I'll buy it. So guys, David got a small chocolate as a present. It's actually a local chocolate. It's 3 individual chocolates from Cocoa Bell. They are from Deep South. And we actually checked out the price of this chocolate. Come and watch it, David, come in. The price is $48 on the website for 3 chocolates, right? So,
Let's call it bonbons.
Bun. So I had the opportunity to have one. Right? So David, how much for this one chocolate? They will divide 48 by 3. How much for one?
16? 16? Is that 16?
16. Around $16, yes. So it's a 16 bucks here, guys. Okay, Vina. Okay, Vina, you can have a bite first and then you can have a bite. No, have a bite.
I need to get Vinny's reaction because she's not gonna like that.
It's made in Trinidad, all natural.
How you like it?
It's like normal dark
Me watching me
chocolate.
so far, what's up?
It's like normal dark chocolate.
Okay, she said it's like normal dark chocolate. Let me
Alright.
taste it.
I don't understand what's so good about it.
It actually is a really good chocolate.
But
But it's a very rich, chocolate.
wait, is it besides the chocolate because it had different flavors in it though.
I don't know what it is.
What?
It's a good chocolate. It's a rich chocolate, that one is a richer chocolate than the normal Cadbury chocolate something like we just normally buy. But it's just something to get accustomed to. Like I'm more accustomed to more like the sweet.
The milk chocolate.
Yes, the milk chocolate, yes. Again, I'm more cocoa taste.
Right.
So, but I like it. It's nice. Not bad at all. That one more, David. You want to try?
Nah, I good.
You good? We get half. Like, you have an $8 piece of chocolate. But one is like about 16. Taste it. It's locally made. Why are you eating so fancy for? This little mini bite. Can I just put the whole thing in your mouth?
Tasted very nice. Very
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, I think more adult
Yeah,
will
it's
faster like this
yeah.
chocolate than kids. And because kids more like the sweeter, and you know me, I like a child.
No, and they say it's very healthy.
It's healthy.
Dark chocolate.
The dark chocolate, very healthy for me. Since you know so much. Eat your chocolate already. The baby. Oh God. Okay, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. She only wanna walk. So yes, guys, it's a long time we try a different beer, and the last time me and Leah went to the hotel is Chapa Cabana. Shaka Cabana.
Shaka.
They actually have a little mini grocery, and Leah bought this beer for me, but I didn't drink it. I just bought it home. What's the name of it, David?
Duvel.
Wait from
Belgium?
Belgium, yeah.
Yeah.
And she paid $40 for it, but remember it's a hotel, so it maybe pay about $15 more. So I said it be me about 25.
Okay.
And because she paid 40 as a hotel, so they got an extra 15. So I'm very excited to try this beer. Let me see if it Belgium beer is better than our local brew. David, pour him off camera, David. You don't do that. Yeah. Okay, first look, David. Have a kind of
A cider look.
a cider look here, guys.
Sweet smell.
A very nice smell. I bet it smells good. It smells like a beer jacks.
Real sweet.
Like a nice beer jacks. Cheers, cheers, guys.
Yes.
Ah. Ooh, have a kind of aftertaste.
There's an apple in there. Fruity boy. I like it.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
I know fun. I get half that is.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very fruity.
Real fruity.
I know fun, guys. I say 5 out of 10. David?
7 out of 10.
For the price, I say 5 out of 10.
Well, for the price, you'll get a 4 out of 10.
And I think a bit we carry one stack.
Not bad.
That was it for mommy?
Yep.
Mama, bring it away, it is.
You sure?
David,
You sure?
no, happy rest since you love it so
No,
much.
you sure? I like it that much. Whatever like it. She like bitter thing.
Oh, God. What you guys say, mommy?
I can eat another slice of pizza if you ask me.
Boy, eat the pizza now, boy. My taste is happy. I don't like it. I rather my carrot. What you say?
Well, I will always like my carrot, but this tastes nice.
You like it?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Nothing better than no taste bad.
Yeah,
Dirty. Well, alright, what we gonna do?
yeah. But it's strong though.
It was 40 for that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can I get 4 carrot? I don't know what's going on with she.
Now it tastes nice, it's strong.
So yes guys, I decided to cut this video in half because the next half a little crazy. So it was kind of hard to merge both videos, right? Because one just like real normal and the other one is kind of crazy. So I didn't even know I would have named it. So I cut it in half. So look out for the next half tonight at 8. And I also want to say happy birthday to the baby. Today is the baby. Today's the baby birthday. 1 year. Check she out. Here mama. You're pretty. You're pretty. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. To every video, tell them like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe. Alright, I'll go work. Say bye bye. Bye bye.